Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Let us begin. First plan, from Lucky Tuesday event 262 machine upward plan, it lapped 59 and 70 at last box. Second plan, from Lucky Tuesday event 318 upward plan, it played 13 next event it played 65.29 next event it played 39.84. Third plan, from Lucky Tuesday event 519 machine plan, it played 73 center position next event it played 23 center position and 70 last box position. Fourth plan, from Lucky Tuesday event 252 machine plan, it lapped 65.58 at fourth box.